My name is Vivian Salazar, and I'm a junior studying mechanical engineering at Wichita State University. When I started college, I always dreamed of earning a meaningful internship somewhere new and exciting. That dream became a reality this summer when I had the opportunity to intern at Amazon Robotics in Boston, where I got to collaborate on projects at the intersection of robotics and sustainable packaging. After moving to Boston, I worked on Amazon's safety and compliance engineering team, where I conducted packaging line audits and supported robotics operations that keep fulfillment systems safe and efficient. Seeing the scale of Amazon's technology gave me a deeper appreciation for how engineering and innovation work together in the real world. I didn't always know I wanted to be an engineer. When I was younger, I imagined careers like psychology, accounting, and even teaching. My interest in STEM really started to peak as I started to attend more workshops and visited my dad's workplace at Textron Aviation. I got to learn how different airplane parts are manufactured and designed. Later, during a summer internship in high school, I was able to explore all different fields of engineering and learned how much I love solving problems and creating practical solutions. Working at the Smart Factory by Deloitte has been one of the most rewarding parts of my time at Wichita State. Learning about new technologies, figuring out how they integrate into client operations, and getting to present them to clients has been amazing. This has also given me valuable exposure to consulting within an engineering environment, where every project requires creativity and teamwork. One of the things that I value most about Wichita State University is its strong emphasis on applied learning. Opportunities like being a team lead for Go Baby Go, where we rewire and remodel Power Wheels cars for children with disabilities, have helped me grow both technically and professionally. These experiences have helped me build confidence and define the kind of engineer I want to be. Looking ahead, I'm excited to continue exploring the fields of robotics, manufacturing, and sustainability, and representing Wichita State wherever I go.